Hey guys, welcome to the Marstar channel. Today we're doing a very quick video on how to take down your Pietta PPS-50. We've been having a few customers who've been phoning us with damaged bolt recall springs and bolt recall spring guides, and this is to address those. As we go, I'll tell you where our warranty ends. So, starting off, removing the screw on the fore end of the stock. Your stock comes off. At this point you've got two screws at the rear and front of the receiver. These attach the trigger group to the receiver itself. And inside you have a threaded pin that basically keeps everything else together. There's your trigger group, and that is as far as the manual says to go. Going beyond this point could void your warranty. So, if you were to want to take the bolts out, what you would do is lock the slide back with your thumb or your finger. And at that point, you could safely unscrew the end cap. There you are. There you have the bolt recall spring and spring guide still intact. If you have any questions, feel free to write, but again, this could void your warranty, so do it at your own risk. The owner's manual says to use a Pietta authorized service center. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day.